As we grow up, we are taught that boys and girls have different things. They have different clothes, different hairstyles, different personalities, and even different stories. We are taught that people who do not respect these social norms are odd. Here are a couple examples of social construction of gender just inside Walmart. How can you tell an item is for a female or a male? You can tell because the stores are organized by female and male items, much how like people categorize females and males in their brain. What kind of language is used on the items? Female items tend to have words like soft, smooth, and fresh. For example, on the women's Dove bottle, it says softer, smoother skin, and it also says go fresh, as well as describe the smell as blue fig and orange blossom, using very descriptive words when describing the scent. Male items tend to have words like tough and clean. For example, on the men's Axe bottle, it says clean and cool. It also describes the scent as crushed mint and rosemary. This is using a lot less words than the women's Dove bottle. In a different example with a women's glove, it gives the description of being padded, durable spandex leather, while the back is spandex for breathability with adjustable straps. This shows that the women's glove is more for comfort rather than performance protection. In the men's glove, it gives the description of being durable synthetic leather with foam knuckle padding and four-way stretch spandex. This shows that the men's glove is more for performance rather than comfort, giving the impression that a man would be doing a harder job than a woman. How does the color palette signal male or female? Female items tend to have lighter colors, like white, purple, pink, and yellow. For example, on the women's Dove bottle, it uses white, pink, and light blue, while male items tend to have darker colors, like black, dark blue, and red. Like on the men's Axe bottle, it uses mostly black and a darker blue. The orange women's gloves are another example of how female items have a lighter color. The male gloves are a darker color to represent masculinity. What message do these differences sense about how men and women are different? This shows that women are supposed to be soft and gentle. Dove does this by describing how women's skin is supposed to feel after using their product. How Dove thinks all women's skin should feel. While this shows that men are supposed to be resilient and tough. Axe gives a lesser description and just states that you should feel clean and cool, giving the image that men are tougher. The female gloves are another example that women are supposed to be softer and do less work, while the male gloves express that men are supposed to be more hardworking and rough. In conclusion, these are just some of the examples of social construction inside Walmart. They consisted of colors, description of the product, and how they give off stereotypes for each gender.